Check valve 3. The readings look a little high. I just adjusted it. It should normalize now. Check the viscosity levels on tank 3. Readings are stable.
Optimizing the flow rate now. Here the guava pulp and syrup are blended at high speed, creating the smooth, vibrant pink candy base that you see flowing through these pressure-controlled lines.
Cryotank stabilizing at -40.
Flow rate is optimal. Preparing for transfer.
The moisture levels on rack 4 are stabilizing. Good, maintain the current temperature gradient.
Laser-guided systems ensure millimeter accuracy, slicing the guava sheets into perfectly identical pieces at incredible speed.
The new VIP polishing drums ensure a uniform coating, drastically reducing clumping while enhancing the gloss and maximizing efficiency.
We use ultra-fine mist to lock in the guava aroma and enhance the sweetness at this stage.
The gloss units on this run are outstanding. Yeah. We're seeing near perfect specular reflection across the board.
The mass distribution is holding at 99.8%.
Excellent. The flow adjustment worked perfectly.
The VIP upgrade ensures maximum durability through hydraulic compression and precise sealing, maintaining constant motion. Automated pallet retrieval and the smart robotic lifting system, the VIP upgrade, ensures seamless transfer to dispatch.
We need bay 3 clear now. Copy that, moving the last pallet.
The load balance is verified. We are clear for sealing.
Excellent. That's the fastest run this week.
As you can see, the new routing has pushed flow efficiency to 99.8%.
Excellent. Quality assurance metrics remain optimal across all batches.
Check the seals on bay 3.
Seals confirmed, Supervisor.
Ready for departure.